The tail light on this car is not on anymore on this side. It's most likely that the LED is fine. We just have to replace the printed circuit board, which is the driver for the LED. I'll show you how to do that now. Now with the tailgate open, we can see this little plastic piece here. All we do is push it up and then it'll come out very easily. So what's being held is this little one here, and this one here goes into this hole, one there and one there. Now we just have to undo this and this. They are a 10mm nut that we just have to undo. Now with the two nuts taken out, all we have to do now is just pull this straight back. Now once we've moved this back, you can see the connector here. We just have to squeeze this down and it will pull right out. That's out. Now to remove this black piece to get to the printed circuit board, there's a few things that you have to do. First one, these two plastic clip here, just push it together so that's not preventing this from coming up. And here, just have to pull this back so that will allow that to come up. And then over here, just have to squeeze this back and that comes right out. And here's the printed circuit board that has to be replaced. So in my other video I showed how to do it with a standard LED driver, but now that we can buy a direct replacement for this circuit board, it's a lot easier to do this now. That just comes right out. And this one, there's a little tab that we press and this comes right out. So there's the circuit board. So this is the board that I got from Amazon. It's a direct replacement. This one here. So what we do is plug it in, install it, and reinstall this black piece. Got to squeeze these two tabs together first. And now we just reinstall. So this little bit here has got to go onto the hole on the side of the car, which is there. So that has to go into that hole. Okay, so I've got to plug in the cable first. And that little pin that I pointed out before, it's got to go into this hole. And of course, these two holes lines up with the bolt. And now we just reinstall the two nuts. And now to reinstall this little plastic piece. Now remember this bit here and this bit here goes into this hole in that hole. Once that's lined up, we have to push it down. It should click. There you go. Now that's in place. So as you can see, that's now working. Thanks for watching.